Stop scrolling for just 20 seconds. Because this pickup might save you more money than any electric truck hype you've seen online. Rising fuel prices, expensive maintenance, and oversized trucks that don't fit Asian roads are pushing buyers to rethink smart pickups. Toyota quietly brought back a legendary name, and the 2026 Toyota Stout Pickup is designed for real life, real traffic, and real budgets. If you want a tough, reliable pickup that doesn't destroy your wallet, this video is for you. The 2026 Toyota Stout is positioned as a compact to mid-size pickup, sitting below the Hilux and Tacoma, and that's exactly why it makes sense for the USA and Asian markets. In the United States, expected pricing starts around $25,000 to $28,000 for the base petrol model. The hybrid version is estimated around $30,000 to $33,000 depending on trim. In Japan, prices are expected around 3.8 to 4.5 million yen, while in ASEAN markets like Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines, the expected range is roughly 1.2 to 1.6 million local currency equivalent, making it one of the most affordable modern Toyota pickups. Fuel economy is where the Stout really shines. The base petrol engine is expected to deliver around 26 to 28 miles per gallon combined in US driving, which is excellent for a pickup. The hybrid version pushes this even further, with real-world combined fuel economy closer to 35 to 40 miles per gallon, especially in city traffic. For Asian cities with congestion, this means huge monthly savings. Compared to older diesel pickups or large American trucks, you could save hundreds of dollars per year just on fuel. And because it's a Toyota hybrid system, you don't need charging stations, which is a big advantage over full EV trucks. Maintenance cost is another big win. Toyota designs the Stout with simple, proven components. Oil changes, brake parts, suspension, and filters are all shared with other Toyota models, which keeps service costs low. In the USA, average annual maintenance is expected around $400 to $600. In Asian markets, this cost is even lower due to local parts availability and labor. Hybrid models may sound expensive, but Toyota hybrids have a long track record of reliability, and battery warranties usually cover up to 8 to 10 years, reducing long-term risk. Resale value is classic Toyota strength. Based on current Toyota pickup trends, the Stout is expected to retain around 65 to 70% of its value after 5 years. That's higher than most American pickups and far better than many Chinese or new startup brands. For Asian buyers who frequently resell vehicles, this matters more than horsepower numbers. Now let's talk performance in simple terms. This is not a racing truck, and that's a good thing. The standard engine provides smooth acceleration for city driving and enough power for highway overtakes. It feels light, easy to steer, and stress-free in traffic. The hybrid version adds instant electric torque, making it quicker from traffic lights and smoother in stop-and-go driving. On highways, it cruises comfortably at high speed without feeling strained, even when loaded. For daily commuting, light construction work, or family use, it does the job without drama. Ownership cost is where the Stout becomes very attractive. Insurance costs are lower than full-size trucks because of the smaller engine size and lower replacement cost. In the USA, insurance is expected to be similar to a compact SUV. In Asia, insurance and registration fees are significantly cheaper than Hilux-sized pickups. Parts availability is excellent, with Toyota's massive dealer network across Asia and North America. Even in remote areas, finding parts and service is rarely a problem. Now let's compare briefly with competitors. Against the Tesla Cybertruck or other electric pickups, the Stout is far more practical for Asian buyers. No range anxiety, no charging delays, no expensive battery replacement concerns. Electric trucks may look futuristic, but infrastructure in many Asian regions is still not ready. Compared to the Toyota Hilux, the Stout is cheaper, more fuel efficient, and easier to drive in tight streets. The Hilux is tougher for heavy-duty work, but for 80% of buyers, the Stout makes more sense. Asian roads are crowded, parking spaces are tight, and fuel prices are unpredictable. The Stout's compact size, better turning radius, and lighter steering make it perfect for urban and semi-urban use. You can park it easily, drive it daily, and still carry cargo on weekends. This is not a lifestyle show truck, this is a smart tool. Toyota also focuses heavily on safety and reliability. Expect modern driver assistance features, strong build quality, and long-term durability. For families, small business owners, and overseas Asian buyers living in the USA, this pickup fits multiple roles without compromise. The 2026 Toyota Stout is not about flashy design or viral headlines. It's about saving money, reducing stress, and owning a pickup that works everywhere. In a world where vehicles are getting more expensive and complicated, the Stout brings back simplicity with modern efficiency. If you care about fuel savings, low maintenance, strong resale value, and real-world usability, this truck deserves your attention. Especially for Asian markets and overseas buyers, it's one of the smartest pickup choices coming soon. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for honest car reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next smart car breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.